Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Chinese New Year is coming. There's one vegetarian dish that for sure everyone will make, which is called luo han zai, or I think English they call it Buddha delight. So let's quickly make this dish. It's actually quite easy. All right, first of all, let's take a look at the ingredient as a whole. First of all, we will need some Chinese cabbage, yeah. Then I have some, most of this here is rehydrated, yeah. This is rehydrated wood ear. This is rehydrated shiitake mushroom. This is rehydrated lilies. Now, I don't know why they always will tie a note in the middle for lilies. Those who know why, you put it in the, please comment in the comment section below, yeah, Appa don't know. Maybe it's for the sake of more bite feel. Anyway, then I have some carrot slices, some Holland beans, and usually they will actually also put fa cai. Personally, Appa find fa cai a bit girly, so I don't add, yeah, up to you, yeah. Then I have some, this is, I soak the glass noodle inside hot water for a couple of minutes to make it almost fully cooked. Then the sauce here is actually very simple. Now, because it is vegetarian, therefore normally people will not add garlic, ginger or shallot. So what really gives the flavor is people use fermented bean curd. Now there are three types of fermented bean curd that you can find from the market. Number one is the red color one. This is the one. Number two is the original normal whitish color one, which is this. Number three, which is the spicier version. So today Appa is using a combination between red color and the normal whitish color. Why I mix the two? Because my red color one finished. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So home cooking is about using whatever you have in your kitchen, yeah. But I do add in, take out a little bit of the sauce, which is actually made out of red yeast. So the red color here is actually made out of red yeast rice, yeah. So the sauce coming from the red bean curd. Then we will need some vegetarian oyster sauce, and of course Appa will be putting in my new product, which is a vegetarian mushroom and kombu powder. I think not launched yet, as you spend the time when you see this video. You need a deeper pan or a really big wok, yeah. Give it a little bit of vegetable oil. Throw in your fermented bean curds, 1 to 2 pieces, up to you. Next thing, very easy, put in some filtered hot water. Probably not enough, I'll be adding more filtered. Oh, I can use the water I used to soak the glass noodle. Alright. Then we start giving it some seasoning. First of all, let me adjust the focus again. First of all, vegetarian oyster sauce, which is made out of mushroom also, seriously. A little bit of light soy sauce. A little bit of fine salt. Next thing is optional. This is my vegetarian mushroom powder. And let's bring it to a boil. Now, most likely, I think I need to add a little bit more water, right? The reason why you needed more water is because later you have glass noodle, which will soak out a lot of water, yeah? I don't mind adding a little bit of sugar, seriously. For those who don't like to add sugar to your dish, then you don't have to. And let's bring it to a boil. Once it is boiling, we can put in the white portion of the Chinese cabbage first. These are the thicker part. Then I will put in the wood ear, rehydrated wood ear, the rehydrated mushroom, shiitake mushroom, and the carrot. All this will take a little bit more time to cook. My mushroom will be too much. I'll save some for tomorrow. The rest, I will leave it later. So let's cook this for a couple of minutes before we continue. This is after about the first 5 minutes. I'm putting in the veggie for the Chinese cabbage. Let's give it another 5 more minutes before I continue to add in other ingredients. Maybe 3 to 5 minutes. This is after another 5 more minutes. Alright. Almost there. Putting in the Holland bean and also the dried lilies, which are already rehydrated. Almost done. We only have glass noodle to put in towards the end. The glass noodle is already cooked, yeah? So I'll give this another few more minutes. From the beginning, you do need to put a little bit more water for 2 reasons. Number 1, to give it some allowance for it to evaporate by itself. Number 2, you want to make ways for, especially for the glass noodle towards the end. Yeah? So this is after another 5 minutes. Right. I'm adding the different veggie at different timing, at different stages, because I want to get the texture I'm looking for. You don't have to do what I did, yeah? Everyone have their preferences. Alright, now almost done. I'm just going to put in the glass noodle. See whether I can put in everything or not. Yeah, can. So now you can use salt and sugar to adjust to taste. Before serving, I'm going to put a little bit of sesame oil. Done. Oh, by the way, you can actually make it even nicer if you starch it, yeah? We add in some starch solution. Off the fire and add in the starch solution. It will taste even nicer because then the broth can actually wrap on the coat on the veggie even better. Then I'm going to serve. Right, so here's Appa's simplified version of Lo Han Zai or Buddha Delight. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. It's basically a mixed veggie dish. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.